Alright, YouTubers, here's another quick meal. This is half a pound of hamburger. Because of this whole Corona thing, start that up. I'm remembering some of the old weird stuff my grandfather used to make, so I'm gonna make this super quick. I'm gonna brown up this hamburger, and then I'll show you what else. Here's the hamburger all done up, and here is a can of baked beans, maple. My grandfather just, like I said in another video, he grew up during the Depression, so they used to eat weird stuff, and this definitely counts as weird stuff. I guess I developed a taste for it, and it might help some people out there trying to stretch a meal out, you know what I mean? Trying to stretch their groceries out. Usually it has more hamburger in it, but I'm just using that half a pound. And now I'm even going to add another can. This is grill style beans. So it's going to be a lot of beans in here. And why not? A little sriracha to give it a little bit of my taste. Just a hint of it, not a lot. And again, you got onions, you got whatever. You're just trying to make meals that will feed a family if you're trying to feed a family, and this will last me a little bit, and beans are always good for you. That's all heated up. It's ready to go, but we're making something else. There's water. Gonna boil some water. So here we go. Boiling water and a bag of 10-minute boil in a bag rice. I apologize for rice purists out there, but that's what we're doing. So 10-minute boil in a bag rice takes how long? 10 minutes. We'll be back. It's boiling away. We're almost done. That's rice boiling. That's really cheating, bag of rice, but I apologize. All right, the rice is done. Put these back in as I drain the rice. A bowl with about half a bag of that rice in there. And I'm gonna put this in. It might be an acquired taste because I thought it was weird when my grandfather would make it, but it's high in protein if you're looking for a lot of protein. So there's that. Let me unplug. Well, that's what it looks like. It's just hamburger and beans. You know, just trying to give you ideas of weird stuff to make during all this coronavirus. If you're freaked out, please calm down. If you're not freaked out, in both cases, just educate yourself. Pay attention, stay safe, and have a great and wonderful day. All right, YouTubers, this is my new cell phone, and we're gonna make some rice pudding, Zatarain's, out of a box. 3 cups of milk. Butter. Alright, now we dump the rice stuff in there. Bring it up to a boil. Stirred it. Put a lid on it. Bring it up to a boil. Once it boils, it simmers for like 45 minutes. So it's going to take a while. I'll show you when it's done because you don't need to see it all. It's done. And since I'm the only one eating out of it, I'm going to taste it with the spoon I stirred it with. You know, Zatarain's make some pretty good stuff. I think that's good. I've never had it before. All right, that's good eating. Great and wonderful day. Apple cinnamon muffin mix from Jiffy. See how it turns out. There's the mix. So you give it an egg. Wants a 1/4 cup of milk. Here's a 1/4 cup of milk. It didn't ask for this, but I just opened a thing of applesauce. I'm gonna really see what we can do with this. That much. Now we gotta mix it. I'm gonna use this thrift store find of this old style, old timey one. And away it goes. I'm not gonna make you watch it all. Alright, I'll put a little bit more because I don't know what it's gonna do. Got it mixed up all pretty good now. Alright, now what you have to do is you gotta cook it. To do that, we're gonna start with the New Wave Mini. I have a Pyrex bowl that I'm gonna cook it in. Alright, I sprayed it up and we're gonna pour in. Could have just done it in this, but this one's lower. I have an idea. So we're just gonna do that much. And this should take 30, 40 minutes, I don't know. Let's see what the thing says. It says about 35 minutes. So it's like with most things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start out, we'll do 20 minutes. There's 10 minutes in, and it's obviously not done. So, or that's 20 minutes in, so we'll do another 10 minutes. So we're 30 minutes in. Not yet. 5 minutes. I think we're done here. I let it sit for a minute. Pan down. I checked it and cut a bit of it off. Oh, stick? Oh, it's warm. It's warm. Yeah, that's good. All right, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day. More pointless cooking. Should be done in an RV, but I didn't feel like going out there just to film it in my driveway this time. 2 eggs. Vanilla, just a little bit. Cinnamon. Oh. A little bit more than a little bit. Milk. That's a lot of cinnamon. All right, pan. Plug in. Start it. Butter. Butter. Go. Yep, we're making French toast. I thought this pan would work better for 2 slices of French toast. I guess not. All right, I'm gonna cook it. All right. This bacon's not working. It's gonna go in later. Let's just handle this now. Flip again. French toast is good. It's going on a plate. In goes the bacon. I had an apple, so I used that apple slicer thing. And I'm actually gonna put some apple in it. I don't know if it's a thing. Might be a thing now. I'm doing a little flipping around. It's alright, that's good. Onto the plate. Put this back in. I got leftover eggs. Even though it's got cinnamon, all that. Why waste it? I'm just gonna scramble it up. For me, it needs pepper. Make sure these are still hot while the eggs finish. We're good. No, we need more pepper. Right, we're unplugging. Putting the plate back down here. That's the other good thing with this cooktop. It's barely got any heat on it now. French toast. The eggs. Put the apples on top of the French toast. I have blueberry syrup because I like it. And there we go. Here's a quick breakfast of bacon. Yeah. You could just stop right there. Apple with some blueberry syrup on it. That works. Leftover eggs. And the French toast. All right, YouTubers. There's another quick meal. Have a great and wonderful day. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I like French toast.